Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we're going to show you on how to fix Capcut can't import this element. So first thing you need to understand that why does Capcut do it, because the reason is the format. The format is the main reason why CapCut can't import any of particular element. It can be video or it can be audio. So you have to understand that the ideal format of importing any video is MP4 and for the audio is MP3. So if you don't have the file format, you can easily convert it online. So you have to search for convert to MP4. That's right. And there will be many online website. You can just tap on it and you can convert your video format to MP4. So from here, you have to select it from here, your video, and you can easily convert it again. And it also same here. So convert to MP3 is for the audio format. You can also get there are many website here. You can just open the file, select the particular audio, and then convert to the format, and hopefully there will be no problem importing that particular audio or video. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.